Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. In this episode, I'm going to show you some 5.4K video clips taken by the DJI Air 2S. I've been busy testing out the DJI Air 2S for my official non-fanboy review. So far, I've discovered several things I really like about the Air 2S, and at least one thing that is a huge step back from the Mavic Air 2. I'm going to release a video on just that situation this week, so be watching for that. All that said, the bottom line for judging any camera drone is to determine just how good its video is, and that's what I want to show you today. I shot a variety of short clips with the Air 2S, which I'll feature in this video. These clips were all taken in 5.4K resolution at 30 frames per second in DLOG. Of course, to really judge the quality, you need to see the original files, unedited and straight out of the camera. In the description below, I've included a link to a zip file with all the video clips you'll see in this episode for you to download and test on your computer. The file is free, no registering to get it. Just download and play with the clips, and you can be the judge on how good the Air 2S footage looks without any editing or YouTube compression. Hey, are you going to get the DJI Mavic Air 2 or the Air 2S? If so, you'll find the links to order these drones from DJI or Amazon in the description below. Also, if you want to see the most complete catalog of drone accessories on YouTube, check out my drone catalog at LandandAirPhotos.com. The link is in the description below. Now, here are the sample video clips at 5.4K resolution from the Air 2S. I hope you enjoyed the sample clips, and don't forget to download the original files to test out on your computer. If you're not already a subscriber, click the cartoon Jeff on screen to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I publish again. On screen are more videos about the Mavic Air 2 and the Air 2S, so be sure to check those out. As always, your likes and comments are always appreciated. Thanks for watching.